put the keys right here in the windshield. We're gonna do a quick video, guys, on this Nissan Frontier. We're gonna replace the hose. Look at this. This is my father-in-law's truck, and he asked me to replace a heater core hose. So we got the heater core hose. We got the heater core hose here, and we got the coolant right here. He said he has water in the system, so I'm not gonna trip if it leaks out. And I did forget my drip can, you know. Let's put that there. He said he replaced the hose already there, if you see that. So let's take this off. We did bring our tool set from home. Yeah, let's go get the gun. I know it's just a hose, but I brought some tools just in case. All right. Let's get a 10. Let's take this off. All right. Let's pop this mamma jamma off. Pop these off. Oh, he's got the whole hose. Let's set this over here, just like that. See, he changed this hose, but he needs help changing this one. So we're gonna change this, and it runs all the way down. Somewhere down there. Holy shit, it's way down there. Oh, that's pretty neat. Okay. Yeah, that's an 8. Let's see if this is the right one. Yeah, it looked like it. Looks like it, guys. Huh? Grandpa's not here right now. Let's just take this hose off. A bunch of water's gonna come out, but like I said, it ain't cooling. It's all water. He already dumped all the coolant out and put water for now. It looks like this, guys. So I'm gonna reach in there, grab it like this, and just loosen it up. That's it. It's right back here. Oh. Yeah, this is fun. Look, I'm gonna show you guys right in there. Right there. That tube. That's the hose we were replacing, right in there. See that right there, guys? Right there. Look, I'm gonna circle it right here. That's that hose. It runs all the way up, all the way to the heater core. We'll use this as a step, just like that. Cause homeboy's short, you know. And we could put a pry bar right in there too, and like pry it out, right there. Pry that out actually, and we're gonna do it. I think I brought a pry bar. Wow, I didn't even bring a pry bar. See this bracket right here? This bracket, if we loosen it up, then we have so much space where you can reach your hand in here, all the way out here. Then you grab yourself like your pry bar and pry off that hose. But my stupid ass forgot to bring one. Some of these, twist that hose off. Let's see if we can twist it off. Oh, it broke. Yep, it broke. That was so brittle. What's up, homies? Hey guys, if you guys liked the video so far, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, think about subscribing. It's good for your health.
Can we get back to the video?
Okay, let me just let them know something. Hey guys, and turn on your notifications so when I drop a video, you guys can be notified.
Babe.
Okay. All right, let's go back to the video. That's funny. Look at this. Completely broke off. Now it's a good time to match it up. So it's gonna go like this. See it? Just like that. That goes to the heater core. This goes to the pipe. We'll leave it like that for now. Let's get this little. This can do something for us. I don't know if you guys can see that right there. See? If we had a pry bar, we could have pried this mother flipper off. But I'm gonna get my my flathead and try to put it in here. Try to take it off. We need a pry bar to get up in there. I'm not gonna give up. We're gonna get this shit done. Let's go get some needle nose real quick. Okay. I'm gonna use anything I got right now. Stick it in between there and slowly work it out. Like that. Okay, so what I ended up doing is put this behind the hose, and I was wiggling it like that, forcing it up and down to pry it out. And look what I got so far. You can see right here, see it's about to fall off. I got the clamp. Clamp came off. And I gotta go down there and take this mother flipping mother damn off. Now we're gonna use this, grip it, and pull it off. Look at that. Sorry, my hands are dirty, but look, we got it off. It's time to clean the area, wipe it down, and put this new hose. Now, I did clean the surface down there, wiped it down, and I'm gonna start this hose first, and then I'll put this one on, and we'll start putting the clamps on. Pretty fancy, que no? We're helping the father-in-law out today. Run this hose back down, and we're gonna connect this first. We're gonna slide this hose on. Oh, chetos. My light fell. Son of a gun. Can I get the light? Can I get my light? Right there. Okay. So we got that on. Now let's tighten that up. Alright. We got that tightened up. Now we can bring this one back over. Snuggy, snuggy. There you go. So we got that hose already in. My flashlight again fell. But we got that hose in there, clamped down with that. And my father-in-law doesn't have a thermostat in here, guys. So we're gonna top this off. Verify it doesn't leak over there. And we'll button everything up. We'll grab this down. Put this plate here. Okay. There you go. And we're gonna put this down there. Go. Put this in here. Down. And down. Alright. You're on. And that's it. We got that hose done. It was a pain in the ass without the right tools, but we got it done, you know. All I got to do is just bleed it. And that's it. My father-in-law doesn't have a thermostat in it. So we're just gonna let it run. Operating temperature, make sure no overheating, test drive, and that's it. Thanks for kicking it with me, guys.